start with a powerful, emotional opening that connects deeply with the audience. Show empathy for English learners who feel shy, nervous, or afraid of making mistakes. Example: have you ever wanted to speak English, but your tongue freezes the moment you start? You understand English, you watch English movies, but when you try to speak, your brain says, "No words." Don't worry, my friend, you are not alone. Millions of learners feel exactly like you, and that's why today, we'll go step by step, simple, slow, and powerful, to learn real English that you can use every single day. Then, promise a result. By the end of this video, you will speak, understand, and think in English more confidently than ever before. 2. Introduction connection. Introduce yourself warmly as a guide and friend. Hi everyone, I'm Jamali, and welcome to this special English lesson. In today's class, we're not just learning words, we're building confidence. I'll show you how to learn English step by step, like climbing a small mountain, one simple step every day. Add gentle motivation. It doesn't matter where you start. What matters is that you start today. 3. Step 1. Listening and understanding. Explain the power of listening first before speaking. Before you speak English, you must learn to hear English. Teach a few daily listening exercises. Listen to short English clips every day. Repeat the same clip 3 times. Try to understand words, not just sounds. Now, teach simple English lines and make them repeat after you. Repeat after me. Hello, how are you? Pause. I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. You see, listening and repeating is the first step to fluency. Add emotional motivation. Every great speaker was once a listener. So listen with your heart, not just your ears. 4. Step 2. Speaking practice and confidence. Now help them speak out loud with confidence. Now, don't be afraid. Speak with me. Mistakes are part of learning. They are your best teachers. Teach daily life dialogues, step by step. At a shop. You. Excuse me, how much is this? Shopkeeper. It's 200 rupees. You. Okay, thank you. At school. Teacher. What's your name? You. My name is Zubair. At home. Mother. Are you hungry? Yes, a little bit. Pause after each line. Make them repeat twice. Motivational line. Don't wait for perfect English. Start speaking imperfect English. That's how you become perfect. 5. Step 3. Vocabulary and pronunciation. Teach 10 to 15 useful words, focusing on real-life usage and pronunciation. Example. Let's learn some words you'll use every day. 1. Comfortable, comfortable. 2. Beautiful, beautiful. 3. Thought, thought. 4. Honest, honest. 5. Breakfast, breakfast. 6. Important, important. 7. Excited, excited. 8. Confident. Then use them in sentences. I feel comfortable here. She is very beautiful. I'm excited to learn English. Encourage practice. Now close your eyes and say all these words aloud. Don't whisper. Speak proudly. 6. Step 4. Easy grammar. 25 minutes to 32 minutes. Explain grammar naturally, not like schoolbooks, but like conversation. Grammar is not your enemy, it's your guide. Don't memorize rules, understand patterns. Teach basic structures. I plus verb equals I eat, I go, I learn. He, she plus verb plus s equals he eats, she learns. Past tense equals I played, I watched, I studied. Future equals I will go, I will learn. Explain with emotion and fun. Grammar is just like your map. It helps you know where to go, but you still have to walk. Add interaction. Now say 3 sentences using I will. Pause. Great job. You're learning fast. Step 5. Daily English conversation. Now help them apply everything in real life. Let's use everything we learned, listening, speaking, vocabulary, and grammar, in daily conversation. Teach a complete morning routine in English. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. Then I go to work or school. Encourage personalization. Now, say your own daily routine in English. You can comment it below. I'll check your sentences. Add storytelling. Okay. Every morning, imagine you're talking to yourself in English. That's your secret classroom, your mind. Step 6. Motivation and final lesson. End with deep emotional motivation. English is not just a language. It's a bridge to connect with the world. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be brave. Every time you open your mouth and try, you grow stronger. Remember this. One small step of practice today is better than one big promise tomorrow. Encourage viewers. Promise yourself, from today, you will speak English every day, even if it's just for 5 minutes, because 5 minutes every day can change your life. Add a powerful closing quote. Fluency is not born in a classroom. It's built in your heart, word by word, day by day. 9. Outro. Congratulations, my friend. You've completed your English step-by-step lesson today. You've taken one more step towards confidence and success. Keep learning, keep smiling, and remember, the more you practice, the more fluent you become. End softly with, see you in the next lesson, where we'll learn how to think in English, not translate. Until then, keep practicing, keep shining, and never give up.